How to add captions to Instagram Reels on an Android device using Instagram. Instagram offers a built-in feature for adding captions to Instagram Reels automatically. This means you don't have to think about typing the next manually and ensuring it's synchronized. Here's how to use this feature on your Android device. So first of all, launch the Instagram app. After that, select the plus icon and open the post tab and go tap on this arrow. After that, again if you want to edit this, you can edit, and again tap this arrow button. You have to choose your story. Now you will see the options here. You can choose it, and I've selected this photo. After that, you will see here the letter capital A and small a. Tap here and just write your dark, right, whatever you want to like, and then just after writing here, the transcribe words message will appear on your screen and the captions will be ready in few seconds depending on the reel length. Once you see the captions, you can move them around the screen and change the text size. After that, done, and share it. If you want to share it in your story or close version, or you want to message, whatever you want, you can just tap here and then choose the button and then share. Done. Here we have shared this whatever just you did. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates.